a bustling street we met. A day so bright, one I'll never forget. The sun shone down, a perfect day, until the clouds rolled in, turning skies gray. The rain poured down fast and wild. I stood there helpless like a lost child, my foot in pain, I couldn't flee. But then an umbrella sheltered me. I turned around and there you stood, with a smile so warm it felt so good. You said hello, my heart skipped a beat. In that moment, our souls did meet. You offered to walk me to my car, with a smile so warm it felt so good. You said hello, my heart skipped a beat. In that moment, our souls did meet. You offered to walk me to my car. We strolled together, it wasn't far. But then I realized I had none, yet you stayed until the rain was done. You handed me your umbrella, then ran away. Between two buildings, you vanished that day. I searched for you month after month, hoping to return what you gave with such warmth. One day I saw you in a small cafe, sitting alone, looking mysterious in a way. I approached and said, "Do you remember me?" You looked away, said you couldn't see. You moved in a wheelchair, my heart sank low. I asked what happened, you didn't want to show. You said you fell, but I knew it wasn't true. A car had hit you after you helped me through. Tears filled my eyes, guilt in my heart, but you smiled and said, "It's just a part." We became friends, our bond grew strong. In your kindness, I found where I belong. I fell in love with your gentle soul. You made me feel happy, you made me whole. I'm the luckiest person to be loved by you. I promise to cherish you in all I do. You changed my life in ways so profound. With you, true happiness I found. Thank you for coming into my life. You are my love, my heart, my